Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2018 GMC SLT 1500. And moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks, memory seats, a Bose sound system, has heated and cooled seats, sunroof, front collision alert, lane keep assist, has rear park sensors, heated steering wheel, nicely appointed. Our SLT has a 6.2 liter paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive of course, spray-in box liners, and some nice running boards. Lots of room in the rear passenger compartment, seating for 3, and it has the nice GM rubber floor liners. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2018 GMC SLT 1500, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.